In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on Samsung phone without power button and some Android phones. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, firstly is the volume and charger trick. This is the most reliable method for Galaxy devices as it tricks the phone into entering a bootloader menu from which you can start the system. So what you want to do is connect your charging cable to a PC or a wall adapter, but do not plug it into your phone yet. Then press and hold the volume down button or both volume buttons on some models, and while holding the buttons, plug the cable into your phone. Now a blue or teal warning screen should appear saying download mode. Then use the volume down button to select cancel or restart iPhone, and your phone will now reboot normally. Now, some Android phones have timing windows where they will boot if the power source is interrupted at the exact right microsecond. So plug your phone into a fast charger, wait for the charging or battery logo to appear on the screen, and the second the logo appears, pull the cable out. On many devices, the system will glitch into a full reboot sequence. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.